Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be giving out one powerful website that will give you unlimited Proxy forever. Yes, so I would want you to stick around with me on this video while I show you how you can get your unlimited Proxy from your phone. And this Proxy, it's unlimited. You are getting free 200 MB every 24 hours. So you can do this multiple times and also get the 200 MB from this powerful website. So stick around with me on this video while you learn how to do that on your own. Getting this our unlimited Proxy is called owlproxy.com. So once you get to this owlproxy.com, you're going to see the interface like this. They have options for you to download your Owl Proxy app on your PC or on your mobile phone, and also you can try web free Owl proxies. Now we're going to click on this try web free. I already have my account with me, so I'm going to register with my account. Alright, because I already have an account here, I'm going to log in on my account. But for you that don't have an account, you are going to register an account, and then once you are done registering your account, this 200 MB offer is going to pop up on your feed. Once you are done registering, they are going to ask you to get your free Proxy. This 200 gig free, it's going to come up, and then you're going to claim it. So once you claim it, you're going to come to this dynamic Proxy area. You click on it, you're going to see your data balance 200 M. So over here now, this is where you can be able to set up your country that you want, any country of your choice that you want to get their proxies. You can be able to do that from this area. I am going to select, okay, let's say United States. I am going to select United States. I'm going to go to 90 minutes here. I'm going to put on my quantity to be 10 United States proxies. Agreement here, I'm going to set it to SOCKS5, HTTP or HTTPS. So depending on the one you are using for your browser, I am going to set mine to SOCKS5 and then click on this extract area. Now once you click on this extract area, you're going to see all the proxies that you need. On this area, you can either click on this export to download the information, or you can actually copy the information and paste on your notepad. So guys, this is how you can get your proxies from our Proxy, and also you can redo this anytime you want. You can redo it anytime you want. This 200 M is a daily free bonus. Once you create your account, now they will give you, if you create your account with new email, they're going to give you this 200 M. So imagine you are creating 10 accounts, you're getting let's say 2 gig of this awesome unlimited proxies. Every blessed minute you create accounts, they are giving you the 200 MB free proxies. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to give us a follow, give us a like, and share this video for someone else that wants to get unlimited free premium proxies for free. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.